Hi, I want to demo Make Music Match, which is a powerful new platform for World Music Day celebrations. Make Music Match is revolutionary in that it allows the citizens of a city to join and participate in World Music Day festivals by either submitting their own venue that they want to host performances or by submitting themselves as an artist to play performances. Let's take a look at how it works. I'm here right now at the Make Music Madison Festival, which is taking place in Madison, Wisconsin. Now let me log in as my user and let me demo how it works. Here we have the home page where I land when I log in. So this is my name, Michael Fenchel here, and I can see my account, which is my basic info, and the basic information of Madison. The way this Make Music Match platform works is that for each city that uses it, it's customized so to fit with that city's particular needs. So also on this homepage, I can see all my performances that I'm going to be taking place in. So I happen to be a musician, a freestyle rapper, and I also happen to host. I have a studio on a train car. So I have both an artist and a venue signed up. And here I can keep track of all the performances I have pending that I can take part in. I also can look at all of my venues if I want. So I've signed up as something called the Who's In Train. That's the name of my music studio. And I can, with that venue, I see the genres that I've selected I'm interested in, and a number of other fields that help artists decide whether they'd like to play at my studio. I can also check out my Artist tab to see all of the artists that I've created. This is my name of my band, The Lazy Foundation. So as you see, we've uploaded our promo image, and we've also put in a number of pieces of information. Now, here's where the system really gets interesting. Once I've added an artist that I want to perform as, I can say find or add a performance venue. If I do that now, I'm searching through all of the other people who have added venues into the system. In Madison, there are 45 of them. And I am looking through, and I can actually request to perform at those venues. So I could look at Bearmount Park, I could see more information about it, and if I wanted to perform there, I could request a performance. And if I do, I can pick the time that I'd like to perform. Let's say I'd like to perform from 2 to 4 in the afternoon. And I can request the performance. Now, I'm not going to do that because that would actually send an email to this venue owner saying the Lazy Foundation would like to play there. So I'll cancel that for now. In addition, I can also look through and browse between all of the artists and venues that have signed up for the service. So this is Madison's website. Let's take a look at New York's website, which is live right now. So here now I'm in New York. As you can see, the view of this is slightly different because New York has actually customized their software to fit into their website, which is one of the main advantages of the Make Music Match platform. So now I'm in New York and I'm browsing artists, and let's say I'm only interested in looking at hip-hop artists. So I'll look at hip-hop artists, and I can scroll through and see all the hip-hop artists who are signed up to perform in New York this year. And I could, again, if I wanted to, I could input my own location as a venue, and I could ask to host those performances to take part in the festival. So as you can see, this Make Music Match platform allows the community to really get involved in a World Music Day celebration by signing up as either artists or venues and matching with one another. Now, you may be asking or thinking that as a festival organizer, you need a way to oversee this, to confirm whether or not these matches can make sense, and to make sure that everything is working for your festival. So let me go back to the Madison website and demo that. I'm going to log out as myself, and I'm going to log in instead as the admin user for Madison, which has special privileges that allows them to oversee all of the festival. Since I'm from Madison, I have access to this administrator. Now on the admin, if you go to my account, you can see it says Madison Administrator. There's this extra section of tools here, the City Admin. Now this allows me to do some really powerful things. For one, I can click here to download all of the information for everyone who's signed up for the city, including all users who have signed up, all artists who have signed up, and all venues that have signed up. So this is a really easy way to organize your festival. Now it's down here, as you can see in my browser, as a downloaded file. But even more interestingly, the admin has this performances list that says 20 awaiting city confirm, 72 total. Now if I click this, it takes me to a special section that only the admin can look at, which allows me to look through venues, artists, or performances and to confirm, cancel, or edit any one of them. So let's take a look here. There are 20 performances that need admin confirmation. If I look at this first one, where Mama Digdown's brass band wants to play at the Monona Terrace Community and Convention Center, I can say there's 3 actions I can take. I can either confirm that, which would send an email to both that venue and that artist that this is confirmed. I can cancel that, which would remove the performance, or I can edit that and make sure I make any changes I need to make. I can also expand to take a closer look at the artist and the venue, and through this tool I can make sure that I keep track of all of the performances that are happening. Okay, so where does this lead? Now let's take a look at New York again. As you can see, there are already 133 venues and already 351 artists signed up in New York. That's happened in just 2 weeks. New York is estimated to, using this software, is estimated to have over 1,000 performances take place this year. And then that leads us to the final stage of the platform, which is to show this and promote it to the larger community in order to get more engagement and more sponsorship for your festival. So if we take a look at how that will work, we can see that there will also be a schedule that we're working on building. This schedule will allow anyone to find by neighborhood, by venue, or by genre all of the events that are taking place. Also, it will allow a map of events to be displayed so that anyone can see, both from their mobile phone and from their desktop, all of the performances that are taking place. Here you can see New York set from last year. Ours will be like this, but slightly upgraded. So, what it comes down to is that Make Music Match is a powerful platform, and this is our first year, and we'd love to have your city as one of our charter clients. We're making the software available for very inexpensively, and we're also open to partnership opportunities. Please get in touch if you have the chance, and thank you for listening.